You're watching The Good Stuff. I'm Shanakshi Chakravarti and I'm happy to bring you this story of hope and strength. The son of a farmer in a remote area in Uttar Pradesh village has scored 98.2% in his class 12 examinations, which has paved way for his admission to a prestigious Ivy League university in the US on full scholarship. At Cornell University, Anurag Tiwari, who belongs to a village in the state's Lakhimpur Kheri district, will be pursuing higher studies in economics. Anurag is a student of Vidya Gyan, a rural leadership academy for meritorious and underprivileged students from the state of Uttar Pradesh, run by the Shiv Nadar Foundation. And joining me right now is Anurag himself. अनुराग जी, थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर स्पीकिंग टू एनडीटीवी और हमसे बात करने के लिए शुक्रिया एंड अ वेरी बिग कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू यू ऑन दिस गुड न्यूज़. आप यूपी के लखीमपुर एरिया से बिलोंग करते हैं. टेल अस अ लिटिल बिट अबाउट योर चाइल्डहुड डेज इन दिस विलेज and your parents, and amid all this gloom while the world battles coronavirus, there is good news in your family.
First of all, a very thanks to you. And then I would start I stayed in a village named Parasan in Lakhimpur district of Uttar Pradesh. It is around 60 kilometers away from the district headquarters. So I grew up in a family where I stayed with my father, mother and 3 elder sisters. My father taught me how to work hard and then keep working in every kind of situation. From my mother, I learned to tackle every kind of problem and not giving up. My 3 elder sisters gave me the kind of upbringing that they should have. They always taught me, they helped me in my studies, and they studied in a time when it was not considered so important to give a girl child good education. So they studied, but the level of education was not very good. So, but gradually, when I grew up, they wanted me to get a world-class education.
Right. So what was your aim, Anurag? What was your dream? Tell us a little bit about that, because I'm sure जो अभी हमें देख रहे हैं, all our viewers are very curious to know your journey into achieving this success.
Now I would start this journey reaching into Cornell started way back in class 11. When I took humanities stream, there were people who questioned my mood. They thought that they had some prejudices. As a boy, I should take science stream. But I thought that this subjects interest me the most, so I took those subjects. And my aim was to do something different. So I asked my teachers, my counselors who guided me that this could be a good option to apply to universities abroad. So I started this process. I started preparing for SAT and SAT subject tests and TOEFL. So these exams I gave in starting of class 12. And by the mid-year. And then all through the process, my teachers and my school, Vidya Gyan school, they sponsored me and they helped me in every turn.
All right. So Anurag, in your native village, it is largely a Hindi-speaking area, but you started speaking English fairly much later in life. I was reading a story about you. How did you get so fluent in English? Did you feel a little pressure to learn the language, or were you criticized, or is this something that came naturally to you? Tell us a little bit about that.
I think that living in a country where I think 40% of people know Hindi. So by that medium, you could reach only 40%. These are two, I don't criticize any language, because different language will help you to convince different people different things. So if I speak in Hindi, then those 40% of people will understand. When I speak English, then the other people who might not understand Hindi, they will get to know what I'm saying. But to reach at the very bottom level, at the village level, I should speak in Hindi. So I would criticize anyone, because both the languages have to play a very important role in our life.
So Anurag, tell us and the viewers about your dream. I'm sure many want to know your story. Was this your dream to study at an American university, या ये आपके parents आपके लिए चाहते थे, or your friends? Did you get inspired by your friends? How does it feel to see success in your life at this stage? And what are your plans in the future? Do you want to come back to India? I know it's too soon to speak, but what are your future plans after that?
like first of all, I would answer your first question about my dream. It was my dream, and there I really would like to thank my parents, because they never wanted me to fulfill their dream. They wanted me to dream and then fulfill those dreams. So I would thank them, and this was my dream, to study abroad, to get the best education that I can. And then now my future plans, I wish to pursue my undergrad, like you said, in economics, and taking mathematics as a minor. And then I want to be an economist in future, and most certainly I want to return to India, because when you grow from a background where you have seen what life, how life can cause different troubles, what challenges it can throw in front of you, you know the real meaning of the success. So I would like to come back and help, like children like me, help the country, help the people who are not able to get these kinds of opportunities.
So lastly, Anurag, what is your message for our viewers, for the youth watching, all the youngsters who are dreaming, who aspire to do something, to be something, and not just for them, but also what is your message for all the parents watching? What was, from your experience, from your journey, आप हमारे दर्शकों को क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Like I would say first to the youth, like dream carefully, because dreams come true. So dream what you want to. Don't just dream like fantasies. These fantasies don't come true, but the dream you are focusing on, the dream which you really want to be, those dreams really come true. And the message to the parents or the elder generation is that just let your children, let your generation uh, uh, get good education. Let them dream by their own self. Don't ever force them to do something for you. Just let them do anything they want for themselves. But your role is to guide them whenever they are distracted. You are the one who has to lead them to the right path. So you have to be a guide whenever they are losing their focus.
Right. So definitely a success story, a story of hope, a story of courage, and a story amid all this gloom that the world is fighting, the pandemic, the coronavirus fight, the battle. But here is a story that will all make us smile. Anurag Tiwari, a boy from Uttar Pradesh who has bagged a full scholarship at Cornell University, the son of a farmer, who just put it out in his very simple words that when life throws all kinds of challenges at you, you understand and taste success way better. On that note, Anurag, thank you very much for speaking to us. That is the story we have on the good stuff for you today. Keep watching NDTV for all the latest.